Have you ever wondered how you can make money with AI technologies? We are living in an age of technological revolution, and artificial intelligence stands at the forefront. AI has become an integral part of our lives, from home automation systems to advanced health monitoring devices. Its implications are far-reaching. This technology offers a plethora of opportunities to those who are willing to delve into it, explore it, and most importantly, leverage it. The world of artificial intelligence offers immense potential for monetary gain. There are countless ways to tap into this potential, and today we're going to help you discover the most profitable ones. We'll delve deep into the industry and bring you the most promising, lucrative, and exciting avenues. From AI development to machine learning applications, we'll showcase the diverse spectrum of opportunities. Today, we're going to unravel the top 10 ways you can monetize these innovative technologies. First on the list is offering chatbot services to businesses. Utilizing advanced artificial intelligence technologies, businesses across the globe now have the potential to build and deploy high-end, sophisticated chatbots. These chatbots are capable of performing numerous tasks, some of which include managing customer service inquiries, providing robust technical support, and even handling sales operations. In addition to these features, chatbots can also be programmed to respond to customers in multiple languages, thereby ensuring a seamless customer experience. These intelligent virtual assistants prove themselves to be a highly cost-effective method for businesses to significantly enhance their customer service capabilities. Second, ponder on the idea of becoming a chatbot consultant. With the rapid advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning, companies are increasingly turning towards chatbot technology to streamline their operations and improve customer service. Businesses across various sectors, such as retail, healthcare, finance, and hospitality, are all looking for ways to incorporate chatbots into their strategies. This creates a ripe opportunity for individuals to offer their expertise and serve as consultants. They can provide valuable insights on implementation, suggest ways to optimize chatbot performance, and offer solutions for maintenance. The rising need for consultants who can offer guidance in areas like implementation, optimization, and maintenance of these systems is noteworthy. Third, there's the option to develop an AI app. Artificial intelligence is rapidly revolutionizing various sectors, and app development is no exception. With the right idea and execution, an AI app has the potential to become a highly profitable business venture. This could range from customer service automation to predictive analytics, machine learning algorithms, or even innovative health tech solutions. The key is to identify a specific problem or challenge that can be effectively resolved by leveraging AI. This could be anything from simplifying complex processes, enhancing user experience, or providing data-driven insights. Once you've narrowed down on that, you can then proceed to conceptualize and develop an app specifically designed that issue. And there you have it. With the right strategy, technological resources, and a bit of creativity, you've got a product to sell. Fourth, we delve into content creation. Artificial intelligence is not just another gadget in a techie's toolkit. It's a transformative technology that can revolutionize the way we create and share content. The depth and breadth of AI's capabilities allow for the generation of high-quality content, unveiling potentials hitherto unimagined. This phenomenon isn't simply a trend, it's a paradigm shift that's redefining how we approach content creation. AI holds significant promise for those who engage in writing, be it bloggers, copywriters, or content marketers. Leveraging AI's capabilities can revolutionize the way they work. You could tender AI-powered content creation services, offering your clients innovative solutions. Alternatively, you can use AI to craft and market your unique content, potentially making your brand stand out in today's crowded digital marketplace. You have the option to provide AI-powered content creation services, or alternatively, Utilize AI to craft and market your unique content. Fifth, you could employ artificial intelligence for providing language translation services. This method is particularly advantageous in today's globalizing market. With businesses expanding their reach to new international territories, language barriers can pose a significant challenge. One of AI's most remarkable capabilities is linguistic comprehension. It can decode and translate multiple languages with a near-human level of accuracy. This technology can manage hefty volumes of translation tasks, thereby saving time and resources. Using AI for language translation could revolutionize the way businesses penetrate foreign markets, making it a highly recommended strategy. With the language comprehension skills of AI, it makes the task of reaching international markets significantly more straightforward for businesses. Sixth, consider using AI for tutoring. Artificial intelligence, a rapidly advancing technology, can be programmed with an extensive array of knowledge. This knowledge spans across various subjects such as mathematics, science, literature, arts, and even complex fields like quantum physics. AI can simulate human engagement, providing personalized answers and explanations as if you have a private tutor at your beck and call. It's not just about answering questions. AI can assess your weaknesses, tailor the learning process, and offer a holistic, adaptive educational experience. This technology's remarkable capability makes it an excellent resource for developing a tutoring service. Seventh, you can use AI to generate personalized narratives. This technology has created a major shift in the way stories are created and delivered. By employing algorithms, it can take distinct attributes, characteristics, or preferences fed into it and utilize these to create customized narratives. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, enabling the creation of stories that are not just unique, but deeply personal. The beauty of this is that these narratives can be marketed as individualized books or ebooks, creating an entirely new segment within the publishing industry. Eighth, the technology can be utilized for market research. This is a significant and vital aspect for many businesses. With AI, it's possible to administer large-scale surveys, which otherwise could have been a challenging task. Moreover, AI can efficiently collect and manage vast amounts of data. This data is often complex and diverse, requiring sophisticated tools for analysis. AI, with its advanced capabilities, can easily handle this, simplifying the process significantly. It doesn't stop there. AI can also interpret and deliver valuable insights. These insights are instrumental for businesses as they can guide strategic decisions. This makes AI not only a technologically advanced tool, but also a cost-effective solution for enterprises endeavoring to comprehend their audience. Ninth, consider using AI for data analysis. Artificial intelligence is a remarkable technology that is rapidly gaining popularity in the business world. At the core of its appeal is its capacity to process and comprehend mind-boggling amounts of data. This isn't just about enormous numbers, it's about the types and complexity of data. Whether it's structured or unstructured, qualitative or quantitative, AI is adept at making sense of it all. Its algorithms are designed to sift through data, spotting patterns and trends that humans might miss. These insights can then be deployed to improve decision-making, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. It's no wonder that more and more businesses, regardless of their size, are starting to utilize this technology. AI's ability to process and understand large amounts of data makes it a valuable tool for businesses in need of data analysis services. And finally, 10th, you can use AI to develop a virtual assistant. With some programming, you can create a sophisticated virtual assistant and sell it as a product or service. So, there you have it. These are the top 10 ways to make money with AI technologies: offering chatbot services, becoming a chatbot consultant, developing an AI app, using it for content creation, providing language translation services, using it for tutoring, creating personalized stories, using it for market research, using it for data analysis, and developing a virtual assistant. With creativity and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, The possibilities are virtually endless. So why not give it a try?